Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we're going to head out around Es Canar and we're going to show you some of the sights and we'll see what it's like after dark. It's currently 7:30, light's just about to fade, and yeah, we'll have to head to a bar first and then check out the rest of the town. So up on the right there, that's Popeye's bar. It's not really kicking off just yet. That's quite a busy bar here in Es Canar, but looks quite quiet at the moment. Don't think they're quite open, so we're going to head off to another bar further up and check that out. Now, every time I've watched a video on Es Canar, everything looks fairly flat. I can tell you, this hill up to this point here, it isn't anything at all like being flat. Yeah, I mean, it's not too bad, but certainly if you're a little bit unfit, like I am, get a little bit out of breath. So we've got a couple of shopping areas here, plenty of souvenir shops, that type of thing, and further along there's another bar and then another souvenir shop, and yeah, we're going to have a beer in the bar, I think. So there's another souvenir shop over the other side of the road, and cafeteria Montemar, which I think is where we're going to go for a beer. Further down the street you've got the kids' amusements, and further down there there's also a Granny's bar, which is another really popular bar for Brits, karaoke and things like that going on. But yeah, we're going to give this bar a try first. So guys, we've just been over to the bar over there. Very reasonably priced drinks, a pint of Heineken and a bottle of alcohol-free beer for myself. €8.50, which isn't too bad. And yeah, we'll head off to see some of the rest of the town now.
I know, it's probably only Saturday.
So you can see, even on a Monday night, it's really busy here in Es Canar. And if you look over there, there's the kiddies' rides. Plenty of entertainment for even the little ones.
Oh. Television program.
Looks like the Kentucky Derby's not running though. And over the road there's Granny's bar, but again that doesn't look as if it's open yet. I've got La Perla tapas bar over there, restaurant. And yeah, we're just heading down. So we're getting a bit closer now to the seafront. We've got the pharmacy there on the right. This is the bus station. Also the taxi rank if you need to get a taxi. And just going to get across the road here. This is the pedestrianised area, so it should be a lot safer to wander around.
Right, I was using taxi there. Or
So plenty of shops still open. It's after 8 now. Yeah, choice of bars and restaurants here. Loads along the seafront there. So we've got Charlie's Bar there. We're in there the other night. Not cheap for a round, and the entertainment though was fantastic. There was a couple of guys on the stage playing and doing a lot of covers, and it was a really good night. But alcohol prices weren't exactly cheap. So again, plenty of hotels and bars and restaurants here along the harbour side. Yeah, really pleasant evening tonight. Plenty of people out, and yeah, really nice, relaxed atmosphere. Very much different from most sort of Spanish resorts, where it gets a bit loud on an evening. This is all very quite civilized. That's Las Arenas. Looking at the menu there, prices aren't exactly the cheapest. It is notable that Ibiza is quite expensive for food and drink, and been a bit of a surprise for us. We're used to the Canaries, and yeah, but Jacaranda here, certainly for a breakfast, it's not too bad. Quite reasonably priced. You also come here for a massage as well during the day, and they also have a beach bar. A bar there offering fish and chips. There's hake, which is not usually what us Brits eat, but I'm sure it'll be fine. There's a clothing shop there. And then we're kind of at the end of the seafront area now, so I'll probably wrap this vlog up now. So if you've enjoyed watching this little look around the harbour area and some of the other parts of Es Canar, then please don't forget to hit the thumbs up and share this video with any of your friends who might be interested in visiting Es Canar. And of course, why not subscribe to the channel? It's always free, and yeah, catch you in the next video. Bye for now.